It's just a little quick video. I got another HR-2510 tonight of a friend of mine. He got the radio off classifieds, and I have no information other than that. I took a look at the inside of the radio, and here you go. And it has a relay here, although not hooked up. I'm not quite sure what to write with that, but it looks like they got epoxy or Gorilla Glue or something holding that down. This, yeah, if I try to remove that, every trace on the board in that corner is going to disappear. I'm just going to remove the wires, and this relay is going to stay put. But one thing I will draw your attention to is the two regulators. I have a 7805 voltage regulator and a 7808. Don't you just love the corrosion? I was reading online that the glue that is used is supposed to be used to hold these guys down becomes conductive after a certain amount of time. It's the same kind of glue that apparently is in the Kenwood TS440 when it loses its VCO5, I believe it is. Yeah, this is the same kind of glue, but this stuff is actually, oh my, oh my, oh my, this is just nasty. Nasty stuff. Wow. This is just, yeah. Well, damn. This radio won't be powered up until this is cleaned up for sure. The original processor is installed. It's not been swapped out for the chip switch. This one's a unit in UC1250. I have no clue if this thing's modified or not, but if it is, it will be a no more. If it is modified, she will be going back to 10 meters, and this way she will live the rest of her life. But I guess we'll see. Well, I'll see. You won't see, but I will see. I'd show you, but you know, there's some knuckleheads out there might get all crooked and and dirty their diapers. So no, I won't be showing that if she's done or not. Normally I would, but you know, I'm gonna make sure diapers don't be smelly, you know. So yeah, I'll be doing more videos on this 2510 tomorrow. I'll test her out, see what she's doing or not doing, and yeah. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow on the inside of the HR-2510. All this.